welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle. For those of you who do not know me, hi, welcome. I'm so glad you stopped by today because I am so excited, you guys. I cannot believe that one of my YouTube kind of dreams that I never thought was going to happen is happening today. As you guys know, I did the small creator tag, and one of my dream collabs was to do a collaboration with Georgia Harris, and that day is here. I can't believe it. I'm super excited about this. I am so excited to collab with her. I never thought I was going to get this opportunity, and so to actually have this opportunity to collab with her is amazing. So thank you so much, Georgia. And if you guys have not checked out her channel, I don't know what you're doing. I found Georgia through her depotting videos. I was just kind of trying to figure out how to depot things, and I came across her video, and she is just so funny and so down to earth and just so fun to watch that I subscribed. I also like her custom eyeshadow palette videos. I really, really like those. I send links to my best friend Brittany all of the time because I know that Brittany's going to appreciate what Georgia's doing, especially with certain themes like the Yu-Gi-Oh palette and things like that. So it's a lot of fun there. My all-time favorite video from Georgia Harris would be her My Current Rates for Sponsored Content. Oh my gosh, that video is hilarious. I absolutely love that video. Today we are doing an episode of my Face Off series, and I cannot believe this is happening. We are going to be using the Hasina 2 palette. The shades we are using are Iris, Mohan, Anika, Manii, and Faye. So we are each going to create a look using the Hasina 2 palette and those shades, and I'm super excited to see what Georgia comes up with. I think this is going to be a lot of fun. I will have her channel and her video linked down below. If you guys have not checked her out, I highly recommend it. I don't understand why you haven't yet. She's just so awesome. Well, if you want to see how I go from this to this, then just continue watching. Okay, so the first shade I'm going to go in with is the matte shade Iris. I'm going to be taking this on a Real Techniques base shadow brush. And just so you are aware, I am applying this on top of the NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk. I did not set that base. I left it tacky because I really wanted these shadows to be able to stick. And what I'm doing with that brush is I'm kind of doing small little windshield wiper motions and then bigger ones. And I'm really building the shade Iris up on my eye. I'm using this as a transition shade because it is going to help me later on when I apply Mohan to my eye. So just back and forth windshield wiper motions, really get that built on there as much as I want it to. And I'm also kind of taking it down to the inner corner portion of my eye. Next, we're going to go in with Mohan, and I'm taking this on an e.l.f. crease brush. And in the beginning, this is going to look very messy because I'm just kind of applying that color, and then I'm really going to work on blending it out. It does become a little patchy when you start to blend it. This is a very tricky kind of purple to work with. It's not a bad purple. You just have to really kind of work with it, build it up, blend it out, build it up, blend it out to really get it to where you want it to. But I'm really going to rely on Iris to kind of help blend everything together. But I am just going kind of back and forth and just kind of packing that on into my crease. Now I'm taking that Real Techniques brush, which has Iris on it, and I'm going to start kind of helping that Mohan shade to blend out into Iris and really kind of get it to blend and look a little bit less messy on my eye. I mean, it still looks quite messy in this stage, but this is where you really have to work with it and you really kind of have to focus. I am going back in with that e.l.f. crease brush and taking more Mohan and deepening my crease and really kind of working with that brush that has Iris on it, that Real Techniques brush, and just kind of blending it. It does start to kind of take shape of what I want it to be here in a minute, but until the final product, until everything is together, it does just kind of look messy. But trust me, it's not going to look messy forever. I promise. It's just a shadow you really have to work with and kind of develop a feeling for, because right here it's kind of starting to look like what I want it to. And I take a little bit more iris and I go along the outer edges and just kind of blend that out. I also kind of want it lighter at the top, darker towards my crease for this look. Now I'm going in with the Luxie 121 mini tapered blending brush, and I'm really focusing Mohan right into my crease because I do want it to still have that deep purple, and just kind of blend it all in there and get it exactly how I want it to be. And see, it's starting to really kind of take shape and not look as messy. Next, we're going to go in with Manii of all shades, and I'm going to take this on a flat packing brush. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to place this on the outer edge and the inner corner, and then I'm going to slowly start forming it to kind of look like a cut crease with the eyeshadow. Manii is a really kind of deep green shade. And I'm going to, right here, kind of make it look like I'm cutting my crease. I'm going right into my crease where that is, and I'm leaving a little spot because we are going to do a halo eye. This you do need to be careful with because you don't want to go too far up or it is going to kind of mess up that purple. Notice how the dark purple kind of shows through the green. I really like that. I love greens and purples together, so I think this look complements each other very well. And it kind of gives you an idea of how you can use those green shades with the purple within this Hasina 2 palette. Now I do go in later on and I just cover the entire area with green because I didn't quite leave enough or equal amount of space, just so you're aware. But really be careful when you are going with that green. I'm taking iris and I'm kind of blending out just a little bit. Now I'm going to go in with my Kokie Bright Lights Concealer, and I'm taking this on a Vander concealer brush, and I'm just going to start to kind of place it where I want my halo eye to be. Now it's okay if you make it a little too big or a little messy because you can go back in with the green shadow Manii and kind of fix it at this stage of the game. But you do kind of have to be careful where you place that concealer because that is where you want your shimmer shade to go. You can also kind of do different things here. You could add another color. You could make it a little lighter. You don't have to go as dark as I did. These were just the shades we got. Next, I'm going to take Faye, and I'm going to go in with a lip brush. The reason I'm using a lip brush is because I can get in there and it's very precise. Yes, this does take time to do with a lip brush, but when you need to be precise, using smaller brushes can really help with getting exactly where you want to go and making sure the shadow doesn't go anywhere extra, because you don't really want to have your eyeshadow go extra places that it does not belong. And this little lip brush really does help. And again, I'm somebody who likes to use brushes for more than one thing. I don't really use lip brushes anyway, so having it be used for eyeshadow is really beneficial to me and kind of really helps me get colors exactly where I want them. It just helps you be a lot more precise. Next, we're going to go back in with Manii, and we're just going to kind of clean up the edges of that halo eye and really get them kind of shaped to be a little thinner towards the bottom with Manii. Just kind of cleaning up those edges and really making sure it is how I want it to be. Next, I'm going to go in with my Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner, and I'm going to go ahead and do my wings. If you guys have been with me for a while, you know that winged eyeliner is something that takes time for me, especially with this. Because, oh boy, did it. This eye goes very smoothly compared to the other eye, which you will see in a moment. I mean, you guys, I do my best, but sometimes it's just a struggle. I have one eye that sits slightly higher than the other, and just trying to get my wings even sometimes is a struggle. But I really like how that eye turned out. Now we go to my problem child of an eyeball. It doesn't know how to behave. It doesn't know how to cooperate. It just likes to give me problems every single time, even when I start with this eye first. Yes, you guys, I have even tried to start with the problem child first. And it just does not like me. It just doesn't like me. I don't know. It has issues. I know. Ugh. Problem children. What are you going to do? I mean, it starts off decently enough, and then we just go downhill every single time. It does not want to have a wing on it. Well, guess what? You don't always get to make those decisions. No, you do not. You're going to have a wing. I take a makeup wipe to clean it up because, well, it's a problem child and it just does not respect me. So I have to fix that. Just so you guys know, in the next kind of clips, I'm going to already have my face makeup done. I will have all of that listed down below. That way you guys don't feel like you missed anything important. Next, I go in with my Wander Beauty Unlashed Curl and Volume Mascara. And I just place this on my upper lashes. Oh yeah, Danielle loves this stuff. My lips look really funny here. Been using this lip scrub that's been staining them pink, so yeah, they look kind of crazy. Then I'm going to go in with this Kokie Velvet Smooth eyeliner in bright blue and place that in my waterline. Oh yeah, I think you guys know what's going to happen next. You guys thought I forgot an eyeshadow, didn't you? No, no, no. Danielle uses all 5 every single time she does one of these. Next, I'm going to take Anika, and I'm going to take that on the Luxie 141 mini round brush, and I'm going to run that along my lower lash line to kind of give it a pop of blue. I like the brightness on the bottom, and it kind of plays off of Faye on my lid, and I think it kind of connects everything together. Then I'm going to go in with my NYX glitter primer, as well as this chunky glitter that I got off of Amazon. Make sure you get cosmetic glitter. Also, I could not help but add glitter to this look. It screamed for glitter. It wanted glitter. It needed glitter. So, yeah, Danielle put glitter on it because she's been in a glitter mood. You can blame that on Ives and Beauty. If you guys haven't seen her channel, I recommend checking it out as well. Because she's got me into the really chunky glitter lately, and now I can't stop playing with it. It's a problem. I'm taking this on a very thin kind of lip brush as well, and just kind of placing that glitter on right where I put that glitter primer. Also, this is cosmetic grade glitter. I know I already said that, but I can't stress that enough. Use cosmetic grade glitter and use biodegradable glitter, because when you wash this off and it goes down the drain, you want it to disappear. You don't want it to cause issues for the environment. So just kind of be conscious of that when you purchase glitter. That is a very important thing, okay? But I do really like glitter in my inner corner. You guys are probably going to get really tired of me playing with glitter because I can't stop. You guys know I love pressed glitter. I love all forms of glitter. Glitter does not scare me. Danielle goes and looks at glitter and is not afraid but fearless and uses it everywhere. I think it looks really pretty with this look. Then I go in with my NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick in Run the World. And this purple really kind of pulls out the purples from Iris and Mohan that I use. And I just think it completes the overall look. And I can't pass up a time to wear a purple lipstick. Oh, it just makes me happy. So happy, so happy, so happy. There you are. There's the final look. You guys will have to let me know what you think of this look down below. I can honestly say I'm pretty proud of it, and I'm super excited to see what Georgia comes up with. Thank you again to Georgia Harris for doing this collab with me. I am super excited to see what she comes up with. This was a lot of fun to film, and a bit of a challenge also with the colors that were selected by the random generator we used. Again, I will have her channel linked down below as well as her video. Please go check it out. And if anyone else would like to do a face-off collab with me, just let me know down in the comments or message me on Twitter or Instagram. Everything is in the description box. I will also have all of the makeup and products that I use listed in the description box as well. Well, thank you guys again. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Thank you and bye!